Fonetica limbii române. Romanian Phonics. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this episode, we're going to look at litera ș. Litera ș. Letter ș. The name of this letter in the Romanian alphabet is ș or she. It is pronounced like sh in lush. Lush. The target vocabulary for this lesson is șah, șapte, șarpe. Now, let's see what do these words mean. Șah, șah, chess. Șapte, șapte, 7. Șarpe, șarpe, snake. Now, let's put these words in sentences. Hai să jucăm șah în parc. Hai să jucăm șah în parc. Let's play chess in the park. Săptămâna are 7 zile. Săptămâna are 7 zile. There are 7 days in a week. Un șarpe a intrat în bocancii grădinarului. Un șarpe a intrat în bocancii grădinarului. A snake entered the gardener's boots. And now you know how to pronounce words correctly in Romanian. Make sure you don't miss the next episode. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share and like this video. We would love to hear from you. Let us know in the comment section below what other kinds of Romanian language lessons you would like to see on this awesome channel. Until next time, this is Mihnea, your Romanian language teacher. Salut!